So yesterday I put up a video about my Mavic Mini, and I was saying, DJI Fly app, where's it gone? Anyway, complete, what a wally I was. And I can safely say, I don't care, I'm an old bloke, I can forget things. But anyway, what it was, and I've got to thank everybody that commented on that video yesterday and said, Sean, you're using the wrong controller. But he didn't tell me what controller. Anyway, what it is the DJI C2 controller. It's very similar to the old Spark controller. This is before they changed it all to the DJI N1. Is that right? Anyway, so many different controllers. Anyway, it's this controller. So I haven't even got to worry about binding it. But anyway, what I wanted to do, and what I'm going to show you tonight, is Mavic Mini. What a brilliant drone when it came out. Useless in the wind. The distance wasn't very good as well. Anyway, I thought what I'd try and do is do the follow me with the Mavic Mini. Obviously you can't do it with the Fly app anyway, but you can do it with a third-party app. Now, the one I'm going to use on this one tonight is the Mavic app. I think literally need to get a grip of themselves and sort it out with the follower. With the Mavic, it updates all the time. So when I'm taking off from here, it's going to keep resetting itself where the drone is. Whereas obviously, I did another video which I haven't put up yet, flying the Mini 4 Pro, the brand new drone. Where you take it off, you have to actually recorrect it actually on the app, on the controller itself, and not what the Mavic app's doing. So that's pretty good for a third-party app to be that advanced. Anyway, let's see if it works. That's the main thing. And as always, guys, you got to get the drone up in the air first. What you can see now, you can see the Mavic app, you can see the drones that are already there. So we just tap it, it's connecting to it. Okay, so it's gone straight into, we do auto takeoff.
Takeoff.
Now remember, with this drone, it's got no
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So bear in mind, I'm going to send it up to about that height. Right, and I'm going to bring it around just so you can see where I am. Okay. So there we are. You can see me now. So we go into the three dots. If you watch any of my videos on the Mavic app, I tell you all about how to do the follow me mode. We go into co-pilot. We cap onto that. So what it's doing, it's actually tracking my controller, not obviously the car. Okay, I'm gonna see because what it is, I'm a little bit okay. We do that one. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna send the drone back a little bit. Okay, I think that'll do. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so there it's got me. I'm gonna do that one and that one, so it's locked in now. I haven't got to worry about messing about with the controller itself. Gonna put on the video. No, I won't, because God, does not have much luck with this drone. So you know, you're gonna see what's actually on the screen. I forgot my SD card, so at least it's told me. What a wally, another wally. But anyway, don't worry about that. You can just see it on the screen here anyway. So should we get going before anything else goes wrong? Okay. Obviously, don't forget to put your seatbelt on, even though I'm on an off-road track. Let's keep it all official. So off we go. Now, like I said before, what I love about this, it keeps updating the home point. So for instance, if there was I don't know. If there was a problem, it would just land near the car and not land right back where I just took it off from, I should say. As I've probably reminded you before, also remembering, guys, that this hasn't got obstacle avoidance on it, so if there was any obstacles, that's why I've taken it up a certain height. Now, if also, I don't know if you can see, I'm actually going up the hill a little bit, so but it should be keeping in line with the car anyway. Right, wait a minute, Bomb. I've got my dog just decided. No, you stay there. Good girl. Right, I'm going to try and go up here because there is a sort of an incline to my left now. It'd be interesting to see how that drone copes with that. Should be all right. Looks like I've been doing a bit of work up here. Oh, look, we got the free kings. Oh, okay. What I just noticed that there's you can see the drone out the window there, which is good. You can see the free kings, obviously coming out of Christmas now. Big thing here in Spain, the free kings. So the drone, I can see the drone now. He's out to my left there. So he's sort of doing a side on. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to prove in a minute it's updating its home point. We've got a car just down here. Oh, we've got another car a bit further on. So, interesting. Right, we're going to try it again. Okay, that was interesting how that come out of that. Okay, so it's picked me up again. We've got the, okay, it's picked me up again. So going to pull over here. Okay, stop that. Right, so I'm going to get out the car. I can see the drone just up there now. I can stop the follow now.
Stop. Stop.
We can come out of that. We come out of that. Okay, now I can bring it back to land. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to bring it in a little bit. What I'm going to do there, I'm just going to cancel that. So I should have done return to home.
Landing.
Okay, so it's just going to land. I'm going to stop it there because I don't want to land in that. But anyway, I was just trying to prove that it's picked up its home point. Obviously with the home point, guys, it's only going to be near enough to where the car is. So it's not going to land where you want it to land, if you got what I mean. But you got the idea, but it's not. The thing I'm getting at is that obviously when I lost signal then, what it would have done, it would have landed nearer the car and not returned back to the place right over that way. So I'm just going to bring this drone in now. Okay, I was pretty chuffed with that, to be honest. I haven't flown the old Mavic Mini for yonks. Okay, I'm just bringing it into land. So, the Mavic Mini. Now, I haven't flown the Mavic Mini for ages. Even yesterday, I didn't get around to flying it because I was using the wrong controller. And then I've just noticed I didn't put an SD card in. But that doesn't matter because you're all seeing what was happening on the screen save. And I think it's better to see what's going on the screen save because I do love the Mavic app. Now, I got a feeling that it was more to do with this drone. Like I said before, the distance thing on this drone is pretty pants. And that was the only thing I never liked about it. And I was always a little bit wary when I bought the next update, which was the Mini 2. But that Mini 2, amazing little drone. Except I've got problems now turning, with this one I haven't got no problem, but the Mini 2, I've got problems turning it off. But hey, I've got the Mini 4 Pro now, but it's always good to go back on some of the older drones. I just wanted to prove that they still fly, and obviously I wanted to prove that you don't have to rely on the DJI Fly app if you want to do something like a follow me. You can use a third-party app. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I would say give the thumbs up, give the thumbs down if you didn't. And yeah, I made a mistake yesterday. I'll put my hands up, Gov. Anyway, end of the day, guys, always enjoy flying your drone.